What's going on, you guys? Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in Houston. Got a Ross, got a Marshalls, and even a Burlington. Let's go. Curious to see what I find at this Ross in another state. Let's go. Jordan hoodie. It's super soft. Normally $80. Ross hooking you up for 30 bucks. This is pretty freaking nice. Looks like the American Gladiators sign from way back when. There's a Jordan symbol though. But yeah, that's not bad. In a large. Dude got a Brady jacket in a large as well, down to $40. These on-field jerseys ain't bad. Nike on-field jersey. Got one in an XL as well. And it's hella wrinkled. That's 40 bucks. Cowboys hoodie right here. This is a Nike Cowboys hoodie in an XL. 85 down to 35. How are the Cowboys going to do this season? What do you guys think? When the playoff comes, what's going to happen? Dude got a U.S. basketball jersey. Kind of a bootleg one though. 17 bucks. That is a Nike brand. That is a Nike brand. Dude got some team apparel right here. Lakers t-shirt. Yeah, it's one of those. It's one of those. 10 bucks. Texas A&M hoodie right here. What is this? Double XL, 25 bucks. Checking the sneakers. NMD starting to get marked down. $42. They was trying to get 65 originally for these size 13s. Got some Polo Speed Turfs right here. Y'all don't even want another brace. Got some Clydes, patent leather Clydes. Go for $28. Some insane color. What are these? The Go Fly Ease. Go for 50 bucks. Forum Lows in a bigger size, $45, size 12s. Got some Hoka boots right here, 100 bucks for those. And some Terex boots right here, down to 50. That's actually a hell of a deal. These are size 8. These Terex boots usually go for like 180, 200. So that's a definitely solid deal if you or someone needs some boots. And then some cheaper Nike boots right here. I'm gonna be honest, I'd rather get those Terex. 50 bucks for these. We've been seeing these. Beanies right here. Is that Boston or is that the old Brooklyn Dodgers? I don't know. But 15 bucks. That is 47 brand. What school is this? North Dakota? I don't know. North Dakota State? I have no clue. NDSU New Era. $13 for those. Got glitter inside too or something. Is that a 49ers one? Yeah, 49ers one. Is this the one I already bought? Yeah, this is the one I was wearing on Thanksgiving. 15 bucks for this New Era beanie right here. Niners looking all right. Niners looking all right. Oh, got a Raiders one right here. 47 brand, 15 bucks. Been seeing a ton of these New York Yankees. 15 for those, both of those. 47 brand. On the other side, got even more beanies. 47 brand Niners. I think I said no to this one because I was like, why do I need all the gray? But yeah, 15 bucks for this. This one's lined, so pretty decent materials. Eagles one with a similar gray, 47 brand. These are 15 as well. Jets hat. We've been seeing these $11 for those fitted New Era hats. And then right next door at the Marshalls, they have this in the team apparel. Dang, the material's hella nice though. Some Texans team apparel gear, $90 down to 30. This definitely looks like some nice material. If they had anything like that for the Niners, I'd definitely grab those. They got a couple of these. But other than that, they got nothing. Some of y'all been finding stuff at Marshalls. How many Marshalls y'all going to? Y'all going to like 75 Marshalls, huh? Because I ain't found nothing at any of these. And then even the sneaker section looking pretty whatever, dude. I think this is the clearance section though. Do got these New Balance, nondescript New Balance right here. $40 still. And ones right here. I've never even seen these and ones. Down to 20 bucks. Dog, really? Who's buying those? Really? Got some RBX right here. More RBX. Not really much to show you guys. And then same shopping center. I do got a Burlington. I think Burlington's been the best out of all three of them lately. Active tops right here. All right, and starting off with the SC merch. This is 47 rand. This is small. $13, pretty much free. Louisiana Tech. That's just like very specific. It's $8. Fanatics Longhorn. I guess Fanatics send a bunch of stuff to these spots. Because, yeah, they got a bunch of Fanatics brand stuff. $17 for this, which is a medium. Pretty nice. And got an Italia jersey right here. Italy jersey. XL. Normally 100. Down to 20 bucks. Is that really it? Right here. This is the medium. Large right here. Holy crap. Oh, okay. Here in the fleece section, a little bit better. Texas hoodie right here. This is a Therma fit. It is a small 85 down to 30. Texas A&M. We saw an Adidas Texas A&M at that Ross too. $20 for these. More Texas gear, XL size right here. Then they got like 3 more right here, but that's it. No other schools, no other teams, nothing. Damn. Oh, Texas Tech right here. I'm just scouring the entire place. Texas Tech basketball jersey, double XL, normally $90 down to $17. But I'm telling you, they got so many of these here. Nike sweats. They got some Nike sweats right here. Is that Realtree on the bottom? I don't know. 30 bucks. This is ThermaFit. Yeah, they do got it for 30 bucks. Normally 65. I was like, what the hell? What the hell? Yeah, they're fake. They're fake. They're not the Celebrity Crocs. That's some knockoffs. What are these? Super Rep Cycles? What the hell? What the hell are they gonna do with these? What are people gonna do with these? I guess go cycling, I guess. But yeah, I don't see a bag. I don't see a tag. I don't know. But they're cheap. They're cheap. They got fake one of these. Also fake ones of these as well. And then fake Ultra Boost as well. By RBX. Got some Nike React baseball cleats in a huge 14. These are like 14, something like that. $40. And more Texas stuff right here. Is UT University of Texas out here in Houston? I don't know. I don't even know where University of Texas is. $40 for these. I guess it makes sense that they have a ton of that here. Got some Texan hats going for 10 bucks. That is New Era. And then a 47 brand Texans hat, 10 bucks. And then of course I have to come to the women's section to find these size 14s. The Gil Resto mods. These priced down. Nah, these are still going for $40 out here. Then they got stuff like these Filas right here. They got some cleats right here in a green. Michigan State or something. I don't know. But these were going for 35, I believe. Softball one right here because it says softball, 20 bucks. Got these Converse. That's pretty much about it. 37 bucks. That's it, you guys. And then 11 o'clock, of course, I end up at Waffle House. One of my favorite spots now. So this is the menu, the exact same menu as when I was in Kentucky. Grabbing the same thing. It's so damn good, dude. So damn good. $11. $11. I want to say, like, there's nothing like this in LA. Like, we do have Norms. Norms is pretty good. But I don't know. There's something about this spot. I really do like this spot. Let's go. Look at that, dude. You get 2 eggs, toast, and hash browns for $5.50. Oh my god, that's like almost free, dude. Holy crap. Stuff is cheap as hell. Damn, it's so good too. Then this is like my favorite thing. What the? I don't know which one it is. I don't know. But yeah, this is like my favorite meal here. So much food, so delicious. I killed it last time. Damn, I was chopping it up with them fools. Yeah, dusted it. Every single bite, man. This was so good. All right. See y'all.